Yo, I'm 25. That's crazy. 25 sound grown. Like, it's a little scary, but we here. We here. Good morning, y'all. It's my birthday. Ah, scream with me. Ah, that was cute. That was cute. We're in Virginia Beach and it's only like 8:30. So before we get our day started, just wanted to take a walk on the beach. Omar said that Sue was screaming with me. Yo, I'm 25. That's crazy. I'm like adult age now. Yeah, that 25 sound grown. Like, it's a little scary, but we here. We here. Let me show y'all our view though. Probably can't hear because it is vent, but we're beachfront. We are right on the beach. It's cold, but it feels good.
Makes you expire.
Oh, he not done. Oh.
Nah, she pulled me on this boat ride. Just kidding, just kidding. Nah, this is about to be great, man.
It's about to be fun.
Here they are again. Looks like they're headed toward the boat. There's two groups there. There's one that's a little bit south of those. They are off out of the left side of the boat. If you do see a stringy substance on their dorsal, that's called menace. It's a type of barnacle that's harmless to the dolphin. There is a young dolphin with this group, so I'm going to say this is a nursery group. The groups that we see the dolphins in are one of three. There's a nursery group made up of moms with their babies. The baby dolphins are going to stay nursing with their mom for 18 months, but they will stay with their mom for 2 or 3 years until she has another baby dolphin.
It's like two different songs going on.
And what would you like for your next order?
Can I get egg and cheese combo?
Would you like to upsize it?
No.
May I get you anything else?
Bowberry biscuit.
Thank you. We'll see you at the window.
That was weird.
Bro, I just talked to AI to order my food, yeah.
Right. It's not a real person at this joint. They don't even do that where we live. Maybe they testing it out, but that's weird. We just got some snow cones at Get Lost, shaved ice. They give you a lot. I got mango and passion fruit. And what you get? Raspberry?
Raspberry and pink lemonade, and I got strawberry syrup.
Mm.
Yeah, we could have got ice cream with it too.
Yeah, they
I'm gonna
do
try
it.
that next time.
Yeah. I took like a video clip of their menu. I was trying to show them your sandcastle.
Oh yeah, I don't know what this is.
He's over here scooping up sand.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine.
See how that sun hitting?
And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh,
1, 2, 3.
all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving